Ka History Department jong ka Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai ha ka ar pulai tarik unailur kala pelong ya ka seminar halor ka pang of culture, globalization, subcultures and social change, the case of Northeast. Ka thong jong ka ni ka seminar ka dayban ai ka jingpen sngotu iki khna ha ka bay day bat ki rukam perkhat rukam im bat kham tam ban sam lem ya ka jingtip jing shempang ha ka ling ka perthai ha ka ta ka rukam ban don ka jing sngo ya jan mar ka liang. Yakani ke seminar la penyat do ba WEH Lamin Assistant Professor Department of History la yo ekjing kren pediang sngob haya baro kitu ki belawan syakani ke seminar naga kong Ithma Head Department of History but uriu shempang Professor Shubhant N Lamari naka History Department nehu ubala kren pensngothu bat batai benya hakani kelempung halor kani kapang. Kat bayi ki kentin kublai penwa ya ke seminar la ai do ba LE Langstang Assistant Professor History Department jongkani ke college.
Philosophy student here or not? And said yes, we have a department of philosophy here. And for students from philosophy department, you'll be able to relate to whatever I'm going to say now. When we talk about this kind of the changes that are taking place, especially at the psychological level, there's one element which works over time, and that's the idea of rationalism. We try to reason out things, and we try to follow as to whether whatever that we're doing is right, or whether it's not so right, or whether it's wrong, or maybe it's totally out of the way. In this context, we notice that this concept of rationalism had helped mankind to progress in so many ways. Where maybe a traditional society might even think that these changes are not really needed. But then, friends, let me tell you this, that in the field of sciences, we notice that this idea, this concept of rationalism had taken humankind to a different level altogether. A point to be noted at this part of the juncture is this, that when this idea of rationalism comes in, then we start questioning many of the customs or practices which are there in the society. And in this context, we also notice that if there should be a society which is holding on to its own customs, traditions, fail to adjust with the changing times, then they are regarded to be outdated. Who has heard about all this?
Neta kewiwan wow kamu bisa seperti di perumahan kuwiran o yo kesin mani arla dan borok benai iktik ambani India mem ni gumtip iki the richest man in India dan boy kami eman pertama kita tamboman ibu mahajan nong sen yang ambani company Hirubai ambani Wah, anil ambani bukan ambani. Dipilih puaro wan ci India. Na Pakistan peru kampung puji. MR kawasan Bengkak kata.
Ile open man yang wo organizer dia gini program. Oh, kami to kamu to kita neki wahe. Kiwa haka sort wai kami to maximum ki problem. Jadi inong wan chana, inong wan kerpat yang ngato ni kita ke kam sorkat, kata tak hobi. Kau arah kecil lalu tinggi yang ngah kecil yu yang ngah. Yu to hapok sort wai yang maksimum ki kontrol yang kita sudah start ketik. But kam jung le, naga yung kesem le to udah do udah ni do kam ke coba. Meto start ini ke kam business, kamu diobi teknik presentation. Maximum lagi satu lagi presentation to totally presentation to below 10 lakhs investment kecil perlu buat kata ni 10 lakhs le 70% ke bank component udah ready wirat ini terlebih persen le kecil wirat negeri besar dengan UM scheme ni opportunity ledana penjok hiyo ya di kontrol yang konstitusi ini yang berilom jadi they would talk here about the view there. BMP the capacity. You have yung BMP capacity. Tang 100 MKP ya perlu guidance.
Ini tentang dengan Jingtip